Un aplauso para mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
Yeah. Take care. Guys, we just left the airport and we are journeying to our Airbnb. We definitely have to come back into the town because when we finish the supermarket, I will also need to change over cash to pesos because the pesos then finish from in a Medellin. So we're gonna do that, and I'm going to keep y'all updated. So far, when I make cars at the road, we just have come from the airport. Medellin did I give more update. Here, so I give more, not so hot, but let's see how the journey goes. But we are officially in Cartagena, Colombia. Guys, we're at this place that I don't know how to pronounce, and I feel like I'm gonna try this. It's a juicy shrimp prepared with an exquisite garlic sauce, perfect for enjoying with rice and patacoons, which I planting, so I would have tried this. I hope it tastes good.
One break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything, only me and you.
Rice cool. So guys, we're currently in a local food store, and if you ever know how to walk, come we around this, so just for the Uber car bring me come like closer to where we did there before. So anyways, I get some exotic fruits, because when him come in a supermarket, him not have no limit. Even in a Jamaica, so local and international. Guys, this is where we're staying. And we just go by grocery. So guys, quick room tour. We came through this door. And over this side, as you enter to your right, we have a little bathroom. So this is a half bathroom. Yeah. So just that. And then to our left, We have the kitchen area. We have a fridge. We get ice. Who was nice here? Hey, hold on. This shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is. She give her ice. I want them left them something that we're half done. We have stuff to use if we even use them. I don't ever use them. We have a little microwave. Nothing like about them. Guys, we go buy a bag of nothing because them things don't fascinate me none at all. We have this nice picture thingy. This door right here. We have a little wash area. We're gonna go wash the things then. No dirty clothes to the country back. We have our little dining area for AC. For AC. We have a little seat in there, so TV section. Come here, so we'll have the room. Outside is so nice. And then we have the walk-in closet space. And also, I don't know what they're at this, so, but we'll have the full bathroom around this side. Mirror for days, guys. I'm gonna turn on the light. So yeah, this is it. And we shower parts. Lovely. And now, guys, I'm going to show you the outside. We are on the 21st floor, guys.
And then she said,
good morning, guys. So this is day 3 of the vlog. If you don't realize, a total different space because we had to leave that building right there. Wait, the one there with the pool also, because we had a lot of roaches in the building, right? We had to leave. This feels pretty much like a downgrade, but at least we have somewhere to stay because we have excursions to do. And this host was generous enough to actually give us an early check-in. So, clock it. I forgot to show you what I'm going right now, so. Alright, so guys, this is downstairs and we have a little kitchen. A little wash area. This is a stove. We have pots. Not gonna cook, but yeah, we have a fridge. With cupboards, of course. We have 2 bathrooms. So the first bathroom is down here. It does have a shower. Let me turn on the light. It does have a shower area, which I actually love because when I have to wait for bed or hurry up to come out. So that's good. So this is bathroom number 1. And then we have little sitting area. I think little living space. We'll have a little balcony outside as well. I forgot on. As you can see the view now at Colas work with it. It was the only place available. Now we're going upstairs, guys. So this is the room. The bed. We'll have another little balcony right there. We upgraded. We did over this, so downgrade it over here. This is bathroom number 2. It's bigger than the one downstairs, but that's at the least. So I have 2 bathrooms we can bathe in. TV upstairs, TV downstairs. Look, a closet place right there, so. And that's basically it for the room tour. So make it a little nice view there. Yeah. So I'm going to catch you guys up when we are ready to do our excursions for the day.
I don't know if you guys use meters, right? Yeah, you use meters. Yeah, that's normal people in States. I don't know why.
Or translate every single thing the indigenous tribes were talking into Spanish.
So guys, we are about to walk to go up at the top of the volcano, and I'm super excited about that. Skin like a clean and stuff.
One more.
Sit down. Lay down.
Video, okay? Ay, pues no me rellenar eso, pero me van a seguir.
Le van a hacer otro tablado. Aquí. Esto lo van a quitar.
Va a ampliarlo más.
Exactamente.
¿Y cuándo?
Que ahora que la película diga que sí, va a quitarle unos 2 millones para.
Y en la película dice que no. Ya,
So guys, we're here at the port and we're waiting to head to the island, to go to Bora Bora Island. And I'm going to fill you guys in. I try to make storage because I have storage issues right now, so I talk fast. So yeah, good morning, it's day 4 by the way.
Like that, and if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells dead, she my favorite, and she hit me up. Ha 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 ha, when I double cross the laugh. Drop that rock top top top, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never been no one talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yeah, the green, bitch, I'm really hitting. better put them palms together, bitch, I really seen. No, me and crack don't share daddies, but we really twins. If she ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting in. See the bed top bunker, the boys got thumpers. I'm a bona fide face box muncher. You ain't never been no whack talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yo, never in the Hankins, dick riding in the white fit. Never raising in the strap on him like a dyke bitch. This dark work like night shit. I'm thunder, I light shit. I flood this, I flood that. I swim good, I'm fight, I'm fit. Hey, T, why you acting hard? I'm like David, please. I'm not with that shit, bro. That's why I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums.
So guys, we came to the mall, we had breakfast. My face I break out terribly. And now we are waiting for Uber. She reach. Forget the paragliding. Buenos dias. So guys, I'm a bit nervous because we're about to go do paragliding. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm everything, you know, and I just want to do it and get it over with because it and Tutum was the two things that I wanted to do for sure. The taxi is outside waiting, so I'm waiting on my friend and then we're heading straight to the place. So guys, I'm nervous. The driver looks excited now. The anxiety. So I can see everyone now. I'm tired. I'm do across the road, I'm tired. The altitude here. I say guys, a pure walking. I'm gonna reach home for go yet. I'm tired. The girl is hand fit and all she been doing is walking. Colombia have me exercise.
Now cause niggas weird and really bum.
Yeah, from unfit bad.
Down sunset. In every place.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Bye.
She's not alive. Even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you knew she lives a lie. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs now. She just wants fame.
So guys, we're back at Santa Fe Mall for like the second time. I'm tired. I'm gonna put the trip there. I shoot myself 7. I do what?
She breaks the sky, flashing lights.
I was supposed to shoot my stuff from one.
Begging on the knees to be popular. Buy a drink to be
So guys, we're currently about to try frisbees because apparently frisbees would have come with like Jamaican KFC. People love it over here and them highly recommend it, as you can see the line full of people. So we're with our order now. Hey guys, good morning. So this is our last day in Colombia. Well, we'll last couple hours because we're already packed and ready to go to the airport. My phone storage full, so I'm going to use Snapchat. That's why I'm facing a clean period. So yeah, wait. This is our final hours in this Airbnb, our hotel, whatever they want to consider it as. You know, don't be late.